Hello, University Health team members. We want to remind you about the awe-inspiring event taking place in our skies on Monday, April 8th, the eclipse. Before you rush outside to witness this celestial wonder, let's talk about how to do it safely. On eclipse day, your regular sunglasses just won't cut it. You need specialized eclipse glasses that meet the ISO 12312-2 International Safety Standard to shield your eyes from harmful solar radiation. Make sure those glasses fit snugly and completely cover your eyes. No peeking around the edges. If you wear prescription glasses, don't worry. Put your eclipse glasses right over the top of your regular pair. If you don't have eclipse glasses handy, there are other ways to safely view the eclipse, like using a pinhole projector. This projects an image of the eclipse onto another surface so that you can marvel at it without risking eye damage. Get a cardboard box, a white sheet of paper, scissors, tape, tinfoil, and a thumbtack. Cut the white paper to the size of one of the sides of the box. Place that paper inside the box. Think of it like your movie screen. Using a pen, divide the opposite side of the box into thirds. Cut out the two sections on either side, leaving a section of cardboard in the middle. Place the tinfoil over one of the sections you just removed. Tape it in place. Use your thumbtack to poke a hole in the tinfoil. When it's time to look at the eclipse, stand with your back to the sun. Look through the cut that you made in the cardboard. Allow the sunlight to shine through the small hole in the tinfoil. You'll see the shadow of the eclipse on the white paper inside the box. Remember, never look directly at the sun without proper protection. Even during an eclipse, those rays can be harmful to your eyes and cause permanent damage. After viewing the eclipse, if you or someone you know has the following symptoms, seek medical treatment. Blurred vision that does not improve, light sensitivity, blind spots in one or both eyes, watery eyes, eye soreness, difficulty recognizing shapes, gritty feeling in the eyes, headaches, red eyes, and swelling around the eye or eyelid. Have fun out there, stay safe, stay curious, and keep shining bright.